Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Hema from Hema's Walnut. Today's recipe I'm gonna post about gobi manchurian recipe. It is the best super delicious and crispy gobi manchurian made at home with the simple recipe. It makes its appearance everywhere in street stalls, restaurants and even in parties. It is not an authentic Chinese dish nor a Manchurian dish, but it is a fusion of both India and Chinese. First, let's start the recipe by cleaning cauliflower florets. After washing the cauliflower florets in water for a couple of times, add them to hot water, not to very hot or boiling water. Rest the cauliflower florets in hot water for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then discard the water and rinse them well few times. Spread them on clean cotton cloth or a white colander. This is done to remove excess moisture after washing. Meanwhile, prepare the batter to a large mixing bowl. Add corn flour 1/4 cup and plain flour or maida 1/2 cup, and next add turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, and then add red chili powder 2 tablespoon, and add pepper powder 1/2 tablespoon, and then add a little water and mix it well. Add water as needed and make a free-flowing batter. The batter must be smooth, free-flowing and thick. It should not be runny or too thick. If you are preparing the gobi manchurian for kids, there is no requirement to add any colorant. If you want, you can add, or else you can skip the colorant. Here I have added 1/2 inch of red food color, and then add gobi to this batter and coat them well. Begin to heat oil in a kadai on a medium flame. Check the oil is hot enough and pick up the florets one and gently slide in a hot oil. After frying one floret, just taste it. Check the salt. If needed, you can add more. Now you can add 1/1 floret into the oil and fry it until it turns into golden brown. Make sure the flame is medium when you begin to add the florets and the oil is hot. Gradually, as you add more florets to the pan, slightly increase the flame to maintain the temperature. Remove them when they are done. Double frying the gobi, which is usually done in restaurants. If you want gobi to be more crispy, you can double fry the gobi as per the restaurant style. For the crispiness of the gobi, I suggest you to cut the florets into small pieces and then deep fry it in oil, and next you can double fry it so you get more crispier as per the restaurant style. Instead of maida, you can add rava. Taking 1/2 cup of rava into the mixer and grind it into a smooth powder, add it into the batter, and while frying you get more crispier. It is an optional. Drain them on a kitchen cloth or a tissue. Making Manchurian sauce, prefer organic or at least natural brewed soya sauces for health reasons. In a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 cup of sliced onions. Add 1 cup of chopped beans, finely chopped garlic, green chilies, ginger and carrot. Fry until vegetables turn into soft. Mix it well. Add 2 to 3 glasses of water and mix it well. If you don't want to use any tomato sauces, you can also use tomato paste. Just add tomato slices into the mixer and grind it. You can add tomato sauce 2 to 3 tablespoons. Add a pinch of salt and mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and mix it. For the thickening of the sauce, you have to add corn flour. For that, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it well and then add. Give a good mix. You can see the sauce gets thickens. And then add the fried gobi into the sauce. The gobi Manchurian benefits all stem from the goodness of cauliflower. It is extremely rich in vitamins and minerals. It is very nutritious vegetable that your diet is sure to benefit from. After adding fried gobi just before serving, toss well. Serve gobi Manchurian with fried rice or noodles. After plating the gobi Manchurian, you can toss pepper powder on the top layer of the gobi Manchurian. Enjoy the gobi Manchurian with tomato sauce. Yummy gobi Manchurian is ready to serve. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and comment in the section below. Thanks for watching.